Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this summer makeup look. All the products that I've used in this video are amazingly affordable. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So guys, since it's a summer makeup look, it is very important to apply a sunscreen before starting your makeup. So I'm starting with a sunscreen. This is Jove's Sun Cover SPF 30 sunscreen. So this is SPF 30. You can apply any sunscreen, like it could be SPF 20, SPF 30, SPF 50. That's completely okay, but do apply a sunscreen. It is important. So yeah. And if you are not as oily as me, see what I do, I don't apply a moisturizer before or after applying a sunscreen, because I kind of feel too heavy after applying both of them. So I either apply a moisturizer or I just apply a sunscreen. So if you are not as oily as me, you can go for a moisturizer as well before applying your sunscreen or after applying your sunscreen. That doesn't really matter. So yeah. Now for primer, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So I have talked about this primer in my previous video, and this is an illuminating primer, so it gives a little bit tint to your face, and it is good for summers. It looks good, it shines when you're under the sun, and I love it. That's why I'm using it. So yeah. I just love this primer. Like, it works good as a primer, and it also gives really nice tint, shine, glow to your face, whatever you want to call it. It is very good. Okay, so you can see the glow on my face after applying this primer. It looks so beautiful. So after applying the primer, I'm going to use a foundation which is very light in coverage because I don't want to feel very heavy. So this is Stay Quirky Liquid Foundation, and it has a very light coverage. So let's apply this. So after foundation, I'm going to use a concealer. So this is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 144 Caramel. This also I'll apply very little, just to correct everything. Yeah, that's it. I'll just blend this as well with a brush. So I'm done with the concealer. After concealer, I'm going to use a compact to set my foundation and concealer. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So I'll apply the compact as well with the same brush. Just a little bit of this as well to set my makeup. And remember guys, compact is important. You don't apply a foundation, don't apply a concealer, just apply a BB cream, but do set it with your compact because it's a summer makeup look, guys. If you won't set it with a compact, it's definitely gonna sweat and your makeup's just gonna wash off. So yeah, do use a compact. And this is a really nice compact. Like, it's very affordable. It says that it's an oil control compact, and it really does its job. So yeah. Now my most favorite part of today's makeup is eye makeup. So let's start with the eye makeup. So for today's eye makeup, I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda palette. Let me take this out. So since it's a summer makeup, I'm going to use a really bright color for today's makeup. So I'm using this bright yellow color. This is a beautiful yellow color, and I'm taking this on a fluffy brush, and I'll be placing this all over my eyes. So yeah. By the way, today's eye makeup is different, but it's very simple. So everybody can do it, even the beginners. So yeah. Just place it all over your eyes. So yeah, this kind of looks good. So after applying this yellow eyeshadow, I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm just taking this blue kajal. So this kajal is from Blue Heaven, and this is also a very affordable kajal and a really good quality one. So I'm just applying it on my lash line. Now it just depends on you. If you want, you can blend this out. If you don't want to blend it, just leave it as it is. It'll look good this way as well. But I'm gonna blend it, so I'm taking this flat fluffy brush. It is flat but fluffy. This is pretty much it, and now I'm gonna take the fluffy brush again and a little bit more of the yellow eyeshadow, and I'll just place it over here. You know, just so that it looks blended and nothing much. And now I'm gonna do the same thing in my under eyes. So I'm taking this flat brush, really small flat brush, it is completely flat, and the yellow shade. Now I'm taking this blue kajal again, and I'll apply it in my waterline. So I'm taking this flat fluffy brush again, and I'll just blend it. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with my eye makeup over here. Let me do on the other eye as well and quickly come back. Okay, so I'm done with the eye makeup. Now the last thing which is left is mascara. So for mascara, I'm using this Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. I love mascara and I can never miss this. No matter I'm doing a light makeup or a heavy makeup, doesn't really matter for me. I love mascaras. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm done with my eye makeup, and you can see how beautifully this mascara curls my eyelashes. I mean, this is such a nice, such an affordable mascara, and it's really good. It is waterproof and it curls your eyelashes like hell. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it's waterproof. So definitely try this. Just try this out. It's really good. So yeah, I'm done with my eye makeup. Now the obvious part, which is contour, blush and highlighter. So for contouring, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighter palette. So obviously this brown shade, this has only one brown shade, 2 highlighters and 5 blush shades. So I'm taking this brown shade. Okay, so for blush, I am not using this palette, although this has 5 shades of blush, but all are really pinkish kind, and today I want quite mauvish kind of blush. So for blush, I am using this blush from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, there I'm done with the blush. Now the last thing is a highlighter. For highlighter, I'm using the same Swiss Beauty palette. I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm mixing both the shades and applying the highlighter. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm gonna use this NY Bay lipstick in the shade The Hubble. I'm gonna mention the shade number in the description box. So yeah, I'll just quickly go change and then I'll show you the entire look. So yeah guys, this is the final look. You can see I'm wearing this cute little blue top which is very summer appropriate, and I've curled my hairs today because I thought it'll go with the look. So yeah, that's how you can create this beautiful look, and I hope you guys liked the video and the look. If you did so, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see my entire look, what I'm wearing, then you can follow me on Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen, also in the description box. You can check it out if you are interested. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye bye.